If you haven't noticed yet, the best hashtags to be using on TikTok right now have recently changed, and for a lot of you, this has caused you to see two things. Either one, you've seen a drastic decrease in the amount of views that you're getting because you're using the wrong hashtags right now, or secondly, what you're seeing is inconsistent views. Sometimes you might be using the right hashtags without noting it, that's why you're getting a lot of views, and then other times you're not using them, or you might be using the wrong hashtags or the wrong hashtag strategies, or even worse, making the mistakes that I'm going to share with you later on in this video, which are causing you to see a decrease in views. Nevertheless, by the end of this video, you're going to know exactly what 4 hashtag strategies you need to be implementing right now, and you're going to know what mistakes to be avoiding. Because this creator just gained 100,000 followers, this creator 100,000 followers, and this creator 100,000 followers, all in less than 30 days, and you can replicate the same exact thing if you simply implement this strategy that I'll be sharing with you in this video. For starters, the first hashtag strategy you need to be using is 3 niche specific hashtags. Now, before I share with you exactly what niche specific or broad hashtags are, if you don't know what those are, I need you to smash that subscribe button. If you want to grow quicker on TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube, I literally upload a video about how to grow on these platforms every single day. In addition to that, I created a free TikTok growth course. You can get it, the link in the pinned comment below. It's going to share with you things like the best time to be posting on TikTok, which has also recently changed. So please make sure you get into it. Again, it is 100% free. In addition to that, here's my phone number right here. I literally quit my job working for Gary Vee to help you grow on TikTok. So please hit me up. I want to help you grow and get more views. So, when it comes to the hashtags you could be using right now on TikTok, there are essentially 3 different hashtags. The first one, niche specific. When it comes to niche specific hashtags, these are going to be the hashtags that you see when you look up a topic. When you look up hashtag fitness, this is what they are. If you look up hashtag crypto, this is what they are. Hashtag affiliate marketing, this is what they are. These are niche specific. They're going to be very specific to whatever you're actually posting about, and you need to make sure that when you're using these, do not use the small ones. Do not use the irrelevant ones. You want to be using the biggest ones, because the way that TikTok actually uses hashtags is they look at what kind of hashtags you're using in your content to determine what audience they should then be pushing that content to. They push that content to that audience. If that audience interacts with that video, the content will get pushed out even more. If the audience doesn't interact with the video, it's not going to get pushed out. And for a lot of you, that is why your views are suffering. Now, there's a second type of hashtag, which are broad hashtags. Broad hashtags are things like hashtag FYP, hashtag trending, hashtag viral. These help you expand the reach of the content that you're using. A lot of people will say don't use these, but they couldn't be more wrong. In fact, almost every viral video that goes viral on TikTok, it has a lot of these hashtags in it. The reason being, it expands the audience that you're reaching. If you only use niche specific ones, then you're only going to reach your niche. If you have some of those in there, it starts to expand it. And then basically what happens, if somebody interacts with a crypto video, a fitness video, a fashion video, any type of video, they're going to then see more of that content. So if that person had never interacted with that before, but they have interacted with something under hashtag viral, hashtag trending, hashtag for you page, or whatever on the broad hashtag you use, well, then what TikTok's going to do, it's going to expand that audience, and it's going to find a new audience for that. If you don't know how the TikTok algorithm works in a nutshell, here's how it works. But before we go through that, I do want to emphasize, guys, this organic reach we're currently seeing on TikTok is not going to last much longer. If you're a small creator, a medium-sized creator, or a large creator that wants to be even bigger, the opportunity for you to actually grow, for you to rank on search, for you to establish yourself within a niche, big or small, the opportunity is going to be fading in the next couple months. You need to begin to take this seriously right now, because I'm telling you, if you don't, you're going to be missing out on potentially changing your life with TikTok, while the organic reach is incredible right now, because I'm telling you, there's not much time left when it comes to this. First, TikTok pushes out your content to a group of people. If those people interact with that video, then what TikTok does is they essentially build a lookalike audience based off of that. If you remember back in the day, Instagram and Facebook ads were absolutely insane. Everybody who's using them was making a ton of money. Well, TikTok basically took their ads algorithm and made it into an organic algorithm, and that is why TikTok has been so successful. So what happens when somebody interacts with something? They say, oh, this person is this age, they've interacted with this videos in the past, this is what they're into. We have millions of other people like that. Let's then show this content to those people, because odds are it's going to keep people on the platform. It's going to keep people swiping on TikTok. It's going to keep you addicted to TikTok. And that's exactly what TikTok has done. That's why they've been so successful. And now you know, in a nutshell, how the TikTok algorithm works. Now, this brings me to the second hashtag strategy you need to be using, which is 3 broad hashtags. Again, if you fail to implement these hashtag strategies, you're going to fail to get more views. You're going to continue to see a decrease in views and inconsistent amount of views. And ultimately, you're going to miss out on the easiest time ever safer to grow on TikTok. I cannot emphasize this. There's more organic reach on TikTok right now. There's more people above the age of 18 that have buying power, that are ready to buy your thing or follow you and become a customer later on. Those people are on TikTok more than ever right now, which is why it's more important than ever before to be taking TikTok seriously. More organic growth, more brands are spending more money for sponsorships. They're even doing user-generated content and a ton of things like that. So you need to be taking this seriously. It doesn't matter how big or how small your niche is. There are people interested in your content on TikTok, but if you make the mistakes that I'm about to share with you, it's going to be the reason your videos don't get pushed out, because you're making mistakes when it comes to hashtags. The first one, never using hashtags. I see so many people comment below and say, hey, well, this creator didn't use them, this creator didn't use them, this creator didn't use them. Well, Timmy, that creator has 20 million followers, 30 million followers, 100 million followers. They don't need to use hashtags. If you're a small creator and you're trying to grow, or you want to get ahead, or you want to reach a new audience, you should be using hashtags. The second thing, using too many hashtags. The last two strategies I'm going to be sharing with you are more hashtags than the current ones that I shared with you, but they aren't too many hashtags. A lot of you are using 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 hashtags. Stop doing that. In addition, a lot of you are putting your hashtags within your description or before your description. Stop doing that also. It is a huge mistake and it is decreasing the amount of views that you're getting. The third thing, using irrelevant hashtags. I shared with you earlier how hashtags actually work, how the TikTok algorithm works. So why on earth would you use irrelevant hashtags? Then TikTok is showing your content to irrelevant people. You're not getting relevant people viewing your content. It decreases your watch time, which ultimately leads to the decrease in views. And then the final thing is using small hashtags. If there was a hashtag with 1 million posts and a hashtag with 1,000 posts, which one do you think is a stronger signal to TikTok of who they should be pushing content to, or a larger audience that you could be going after to get more views? Yes, the bigger one. So stop using small hashtags and make sure you're using the larger ones. The third hashtag strategy you need to be using is 2 niche-specific hashtags and 1 broad hashtag. And before I share with you the final strategy, which makes the most amount of posts go viral, we need to talk about something really important, because hashtags 2-3 months from now might not even matter at all. They do matter right now, but in 2 to 3 months, they might not because of TikTok SEO. What do I mean by this? TikTok is becoming more and more searchable. TikTok knows that in order for them to compete with YouTube, they need to do 2 things. 1, they need to have TikTok showing up on Google search. 2, they need to have TikTok be searchable. So people come to TikTok to search for things. You want to know how jeans are going to fit? You want to know the latest cryptocurrency? You want to know the best workout to do to get more biceps in a really short period of time? Well, that is where this comes into play. TikTok is becoming more and more searchable. So eventually, your description is going to matter way more than hashtags. The same way that hashtags are almost irrelevant on YouTube. You can add them in a title on a short and they might work, but drastically speaking, hashtags are completely irrelevant. Well, TikTok is going to be doing the same thing, which is why you can now write a longer description on TikTok, which I strongly suggest that you do. Your description should start with a hook. It should have a story, it should have a call to action, and you should be putting the keywords that you would normally have in hashtags, begin putting them in your description, and this is gonna allow you to rank for search. Now, videos that rank for search, they might not go viral right away, but they consistently get views. When somebody searches for something on Google, they search for something on TikTok, you're gonna get views, and in a lot of cases, that can end up adding up. That can mean 30,000, 50,000, 100,000 views, and in some situations, if you rank for the right thing, this means you can make a lot of money. What do I mean by this? If you're ranking for, if somebody's searching for FTX, a crypto exchange, you then might be able to get an affiliate link, add that in there, or add that to your bio, and then people are constantly going to be seeing that video that are into that, and then guess what happens? That means you get affiliate signups. You could do this with fashion, you could do this with books, you could do this with anything. And it doesn't just have to be for affiliates. It could be for your own product. It could be for information. It could be for anything. The opportunities are endless when it comes to SEO on TikTok, so please make sure you're taking this seriously. And this brings me to the last strategy you need to be using, which is 3 niche specific hashtags and 2 broad hashtags. Now, like I said, hashtags take up about 5% of whether or not your video actually goes viral. Other things that matter, like the time that you post, the content that you're actually posting, and the edits that you're doing in your content, and so much more. If you want guaranteed growth on TikTok, like all the examples you saw in this video, you need to keep watching this video, because I'm going to share with you exactly how I can look at your account, tell you exactly what to post, when to post, what hashtags use to guarantee that you grow on TikTok. If that sounds interesting, then keep watching this video. The opportunity to grow on TikTok and this organic reach is not going to last forever. And the only thing separating you from the creators that I mentioned in this video is 1, that you haven't implemented the steps from this video yet, and 2, you haven't gotten into my mentorship program where I literally guarantee that I can help you grow on TikTok. If you register for this program, I'm going to tell you exactly what to post, when to post, what hashtags to use, and I'm going to critique your content for 30 days in order to guarantee that you grow on TikTok. You heard that right. If you don't grow on TikTok in this program, you get your money back, 0 questions asked. The average person that has joined the program in the last 30 days gained over 50,000 followers, and And the lowest amount of followers anybody has ever gained in the program is 6,500 followers. If you want results like that, and I'm guessing that since you're still watching this video, you're probably above average, so you'll probably see more than 50,000 followers in just 30 days, no matter what niche you're in, no matter what background you're from, none of that stuff matters. The only thing that matters is you need a social media coach. You need somebody telling you what to post, when to post, what hashtags to use, so that you get results faster and you get results a lot easier. If that sounds interesting, go to the link in the description below. There are limited spots available, and the price is going to be going up in 2022, so please make sure you check this out. This is the same exact program Joel Magician used to gain over 16 million followers, that AvMoves used to gain over 14 million followers, that Tuvok used to gain over 10 million followers, and thousands of other creators. I'm telling you guys, this opportunity is not going to last forever. If you want to take advantage of TikTok, you need to invest in, I'm telling you guys, this opportunity is not going to last forever. If you want to take advantage of TikTok, you need to invest in this before the price goes up, before there are no spots available, so that you can guarantee that you grow on TikTok. At the end of the day, you have absolutely nothing to lose. You're either going to grow on TikTok or you are going to get your money back, zero questions asked. Go to the link in the description and sign up right now before spots run out. And by the way, if you're not interested in that, just check out the 2 videos I'm going to put up on the screen, because they're the videos that YouTube thinks you should watch next. Thank you so much for watching.